This project is Adrian 1605, part of the Tri-State group. I'm going to start out in the center of the treatment floor. You have 4 island stations. They consist of 2 05A cabinets with either finished backs or finished back panels, finished ends. This application does not require the typical no drip edge. The GC will need to locate these in the field. We've got 2 at this end, 2 done at this end. Moving on, we're going to go to the left upper corner, the prep sink. Pretty much just copy what's there. Uppers, lowers, solid surface with the sink. Halfway down we have a run that's called clean supplies, but is actually being used as a dirty area and a clean area. The left side is being used as dirty, so you will need to add a solid surface divider in the center of the run. No wall cabinets, of course, on the dirty side. Wall cabinets on the clean side, which will be the right. Lower left corner here, prep sink. Pretty much copy what they have. Uppers and lowers, solid surface top. Moving around, we have a lab prep area, but it is not being used as a lab prep. It is used as a med prep. So you will want to allow for the 30 inches for the homework on the right. So make sure to subtract that from my dimension. Copy the upper cabinets and go ahead and put a solid surface divider. Also make sure that the sink on the right is a drinking sink. Right by the scales we have an HC prep, and this of course will be typical ADA height. It's got an upper and lower. Right in the entryway of the treatment area, they want to add a run of cabinets. This will need to be ADA height. They want a 36-inch ADA sink on the left. They want wall cabinets above it, and then they want 2 12-inch door bays to the right of the sink, and this will get centered between these 2 doorways. Coming up here, we have a clean utility that has been turned into a lab prep. So you want to make sure to add a dirty sink. They also want these cabinets to continue on around, so they'll be an L shape. You will put a solid surface divider to divide the clean from the dirty area, and it will be at approximately 56 inches from this wall to the divider. This wall gets wall cabinets. You will put an under counter fridge right here in the corner, and they want a knee space by this wall over here to the left. Med prep. This is not being used as a med prep, but go ahead and build it like a med prep with the 2 sinks, with the divider. You will copy what's there, except they do not want the undercounter fridge, so you'll need to remove the undercounter fridge and just fill it with standard cabinets. Okay. Moving on, we get to the reception area. We are not replacing anything with the windows or transaction sills. We're replacing the top. P-lam. The GC is to cut this angle in the field. The 145 1/4 is to the long point of the ankle. You will add file bases as you typically would. And then over here to the left, there is a run of wall cabinets that's 108 inches long. Just do a typical run of wall cabinets. We're going to go to the back. Have a staff lounge. Just go with the 109-inch staff lounge, typical. We have a home hemo area that you're going to be Replacing, this is going to be a little different in the fact that you're going to copy what's there, except there is no wall cabinets. And you do have a clean sink on the left and dirty on the right. Make sure to get everything to that 61 1/4, as there is a valve box. I'll show you the picture of that. This valve box is staying. We're not doing anything with the wood, but there is some wood trim there that butts up to the cabinet, so we'll want to try to salvage that because there is pipes going in there. The last thing in this job is an exam. We'll just do a typical exam run. It's ADA, which is FMC standard. That is it for Adrian 1605.